and welcome once again to Tsar Russian Survival Guide. I'm Krivchenia. I would like to show you Eliseev's Emporium. Eliseyev was originally a serf who presented his masters with a surprise of raspberries in the middle of winter. His master was so shocked that he promised to give him anything he wanted. So what did he ask for? He asked for his freedom. His master presented him with his freedom and a small fortune, and he began his own emporium. The front display window of the Emporium has a beautiful art installation by the famous Russian artist Shemyakin. Inside, you can find delicacies from all over the world, and even during the Soviet period, it became known as Gastronome #1, where people could find delicacies that were rare and hard to find under Soviet suppression. Here you can find sweets, different kinds of meat, caviar, chocolates, and Turkish delight, baked goods, cheese. This shop was built in the Art Nouveau style. It is filled with beautiful decorations from the lamps to the windows to the ceilings. The Emporium has 2 restaurants that can be reserved for your private party. Each restaurant can hold up to 40 people. The Eliseev Emporium is a wonderful place to have dinner or luncheon or simply stop for a cup of coffee as you're walking down Nevsky Prospect.